now for today's Pizza Files. We are serving up the fun one slice at a time, and we are joined live by fourth-generation master pizza maker from Zapardi's, Jimmy Ormrod. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
And we are talking about something really exciting you guys are doing. You have pizza making classes for us at home who don't know how to make pizza to attend.
We do. About almost 5 years ago, we teamed up with your friend Colin Kaplan from Taste of New Haven. We started the classes virtually during COVID, and then they gained so much popularity that we started doing them in person. And they're great. It's a perfect cooking class. It's pizza, history from Colin. We have sodas and beers from Fox and Park and the best brewery in the world, New England Brewing Company. It's really a great time.
And you are a fourth-generation pizza maker, so you know what you're talking about. And we're getting a sneak peek today. You're going to teach me how to make a pizza.
I'm going to do my best. Probably wasn't the best day to wear black, but that's all right.
That's all right.
Put the flour
I'm willing
down.
to put flour on me for the sake of pizza.
Should we switch it up? And
Let's switch it up.
kind of have you step in?
You take the lead.
So I think one of the biggest mistakes that the home cook makes is they're afraid to use a lot of flour when they make pizza.
Okay.
And then they wonder why everything sticks and why they can't get it off of their peel. Always be generous with the flour. So I'll get your dough here first. Very important to keep it in a circle.
Oh, yeah,
and what you're going to do is fingertips, not the palms of your hands, not the heel of your hands, just fingertips down the middle and then around the sides.
Okay.
Don't be afraid.
Start in the middle.
You could start from the top and go straight down the middle.
Like
and
this?
then all the way around the side. Yep. Perfect.
Oh, it really
Just
comes out.
It's another thing. This dough is room temperature. A lot of times you'll use cold dough, and that's much more difficult for the home pizza maker to use. So now I would flip it over one time. This is where you typically make a mess, and then do the same thing again.
Down the middle, around the side.
You got it. This isn't your first rodeo, I assume.
You know, it is actually, but you're a good teacher. All right. So this is what people are doing in your cooking class.
This is what they'd be doing, and I typically demonstrate, and I'll try to make every mistake. So I'll put a hole in it, I'll make it stick to here, I'll mess up putting it in the oven, because that's a lot of the anxiety, I think, that comes with people who make pizza at home. They don't want to mess up, but it's okay to mess up, so I'll make all the mistakes and then try to teach. So what we'll do now is we'll put a little bit of cornmeal on our peel, because that just helps. They're like little wheels to get the pizza off onto the pizza stone. And what you're going to do is kind of pick up and stretch, and you can see that it's pliable. It'll stretch and then turn. You could just put your hands together and stretch it and turn. I'm left-handed.
Is there anyone ambitious in your shops that end up trying to spin it?
Oh, they are, of course.
Oh, wait, so I've already forgot how to do it.
So let's go like this, palms up. Yep, and just pull. Let's put it down a little bit. There you go. Pull it and rotate it, whichever way you like. There you go.
Yeah, I'm not super ambitious today, but I bet you get some people who are trying to toss it up in the air.
Oh, definitely. That's the great thing about the class, is you can have the ambitious pizza nerd who wants to really dive in, and then it's great for people who just want to go out for a night. Yeah, put it right on there.
Oh, wow.
And have a good time.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to go over on here.
This could be good for so many things. A nice date night for people.
It's perfect. We get all walks of life. People travel to come take the class. It's, again, people who just come by themselves with a notebook, really wanting to learn.
Yeah, oh, I love it.
So let's go make, we'll just make a traditional mozzarella. So you want to put about 1.5 ladles right in the middle of your pizza dough.
That's one.
And just a little bit more, yep.
And a half.
Just like that. And then start in the middle with little circles and just let those circles get bigger. There you go. You've got it. And the sauce will follow. So if you keep your circles, your pizza in a circle and your ladle with making small circles to bigger, perfect.
Okay.
No more than that. Okay, mozzarella.
Obviously, you need lots of cheese.
You need cheese. So you just kind of grab with one hand, and then you drop with one hand, and then spread with the other hand. We always say, let's work from the outside in.
So drop in the center?
So outside in. So let's go start around the edges, and then work our way in. Less is more, too. A lot of people think that they need to put a lot of mozzarella on their pizza.
That's what I would think.
It melts.
That's a good amount.
I would put a tiny bit more, just in those little red spots.
Okay. And tell us how people, if they're watching and they want to come take a class, how do they do that?
So it's all done through Taste of New Haven. So if you go on their website, we have a class this Tuesday, which there are a couple slots left open.
Great.
But we typically run 1 to 2 classes per month throughout the winter. So look out for them now. We'll be probably posting right after this segment a bunch of new dates.
Great.
So it's a great thing to do, not only as a couple or as an individual, but holiday parties, work events, and things like that. So.
Well, listen, I want to tell you guys, if I could do it, You can do it.
Can.
We're going to throw it to Ash for a quick check of weather while I do this. Ash, one more look at that beautiful weekend forecast.
I guess the thing, it's so beautiful outside. Yeah, not too much to talk about here. We're going to stay nice and bright, not only today, but through the weekend into next week. Temperatures are going to warm up. We'll be in the upper 60s to low 70s for this weekend. We're talking low to mid 70s all the way through Wednesday of next week. We won't even have to talk about a threat of any rain showers until maybe next Thursday. And of course, that's going to knock temperatures back.
Okay.
Oh,
you gotta do one.
Breaking out the happy
for you too. Happy Friday, Pizza Friday. We hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll have all the details on this and everything we showed today on our website. Bye.